my little kiddos, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Foot plus ball. Is it one word or two words? Let's see. Foot plus ball. Football. When two words join together to make one word, it is called a compound noun. Today, let's start learning compound nouns. For example, tooth plus brush, toothbrush. Toothbrush is one word. We can say, this is my toothbrush. This is my toothbrush. Rain plus coat, raincoat. Raincoat is one word. I wear a raincoat. I wear a raincoat. Butter plus fly, butterfly. Butterfly is colorful. Butterfly is colorful. Sun plus light, sunlight. Sunlight is warm. Sunlight is warm. Let's look at more compound nouns. Moon plus light, moonlight. Moonlight is bright. Moonlight is bright. Jelly plus fish, jellyfish. Jellyfish is soft. Jellyfish is soft. Fire plus fly, firefly. The firefly glows at night. The firefly glows at night. Stair plus case, staircase. The staircase goes up. The staircase goes up. Play plus ground, playground. Playground has swings and slides. The playground has swing and slides. Class plus room, classroom. The classroom is big. The classroom is big. Black plus board, blackboard. The blackboard is big. The blackboard is big. Mail plus box, mailbox. The letters are in the mailbox. The letters are in the mailbox. Note plus book, notebook. The notebook is red in color. The notebook is red in color. Cup plus board, cupboard. The cupboard is old. The cupboard is old. Wind plus mill, windmill. The windmill is tall. The windmill is tall. Cup plus cake, cupcake. The cupcake is sweet. The cupcake is sweet. Today we learned compound nouns. Compound nouns are made by joining two words. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Let's meet with another lesson soon.